Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road, and we got an unboxing video for you guys. And this one, if you can't guess where it comes from, Rough Country. All right, let's check it out. Here, come on, come closer. All right, what do we got today? So, looks like we got awesome air compressor. All right. Got a lot of styrofoam. So we come right here. We got a really sturdy carrying bag. Nothing else in the box, just more styrofoam. Put you all back in here for now. So let's open up the bag and see what we got here. All right, not looking good so far. So if you guys want to come over here and look at this, a broken zipper off the back. That's not a good sign, not a good start. Let's see if we can open this and see if we can, nope. Yeah, that's not looking good, Rough Country. So, you guys want to look right here. We got a ripped bag with a broken zipper. Not looking good at all, but let's keep going. Let's not judge a book by its cover. So, we got ourselves a air hose. So, looks like pretty good, decent construction. Okay. Let's see what else we got. We got our compressor. Now, this one is rated at 5.65 CFM. And we have two beefy alligator clips, but I never liked when they do this, when they clip them onto the cable, because as most people know, these will eventually chew through this insulation, and well, I don't feel like going buzz from a 12-volt battery. What else we got right here? We got our instructions. Oh, and that's actually really cool. Hey, it's all a quick connect to air up and air down the tires. That's very handy. What else we got? All right. We also have some other adapters too to plug in. So we can add on for a ball inflation and for other types of inflation for like a air mattress or even a pool toy. So that's very handy. Overall, it looks very good. And actually, I must say I'm really impressed with the overall design of this. I do like how they weatherproof the on-off switch. So that is very handy. And it does have a what's it called? Looks like a circuit breaker. So that's very neat to have. All right, overall though, I do like this, but I am a little, I'm not happy that this bag is already broken out the gate. I was hoping that would last a few years, but I'm gonna have to email Rough Country on this one and possibly get a new one. All right, well, guys, this is our first unboxing video. So thank you guys again for tuning in. And oh, you know what? I just noticed one other thing, guys. I want to come here closer with the camera. You'll see this right now. That's a no bueno situation. So I'm definitely gonna have to call Rough Country because the compressor is cracked right here, guys. Well, guess like I'm gonna have to call them, and I was hoping to use this one soon, but guess not. Yeah, the cracks go all the way down and lead on to this one. So I'm not saying it's Rough Country's fault, but I am saying though that it's unfortunately poor shipping standards sometimes. This, as you guys can see, the box had some type of damage. So we're gonna have to have this looked at, and hopefully Rough Country can make this right. So that way this compressor, either I can get the replacement parts or get another compressor. All right, guys, I wanna thank you guys again. This is Robert with Wonder Off-Road. Say like, comment, and subscribe. And let's help this channel grow, guys. Thank you again.